sorry. She will have Priyanka madam for completing this. So, it's been a wonderful session, all of you. Thank you so much. I will always be happy in sharing your feedback, valuable feedback. Apart from the fun activities, apart from the games which we have conducted, I may request all of you to follow all the ethical things, the professional values which we have discussed. Very, very important thing I want to tell you, when no one is following, if it is right, let us follow it. When thousands of people are following it, don't think that all thousand are following something and we are all alone. Don't worry. Let us follow the ethical values. This is what we can conclude out of this professional and ethical values. I think this session would have been a very, very interactive session. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you all. You have been a wonderful audience. Thanks a lot. So, Madam, Priyanka Madam, okay. So, do you have any feedback for the session? You can volunteer. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, Priyanka also. Madam, please. Yes.
So, good morning, everybody. It was a fantastic session, I need not tell you, because she made her speak, laugh, clap hands, and she made us sing also. Emotional intelligence and ethical values, the topics taken are actually very abstract topics, right? So it's not something that we can see. See, it's easy to make people understand concrete things. Okay, if I have to explain something regarding designing a table or something, it's concrete. It's easy to make people understand. But what she has been dealing for the past 4 days is abstract. So she can only make us feel things. So if I come and tell you the definition of emotional intelligence or what ethical value is, what is Maslow's theory and all that, we will just understand the concepts. We will just understand the theories. But she has made us experience that through a lot of activities, and she gave food for thought. I love the train thing that she brought in. It talks about ethics, and we have also used the same example in some of the classes. I would like to add on one more point to it. Many of us answered that we will make that one life go. And finally she gave an advice or suggestion, whatever you name it. She said, even if many people are doing one thing, and we think what they're doing is wrong, or in other words, we want to do the thing in a different way, let us do that. That is ethics, right? So, I would like to answer that question right now. Even if 50 people are there in one of the tracks and one person is in the other track, we should not change the way of the train, because that one kid is doing what has to be done. The other 50 kids are doing against the rule and the law. Right? So, that kind of a mental, you might think I'm rude, you might think it's inhuman behavior to kill all the 50 people. It is not so. So, ethics is doing the right thing, which is right when we are a leader, when we are in a position to take decisions. It can be being a mother, it can be being a sister. You need not be the principal of an institution, it can be a friend. Okay, between two friends. So we should take the right decision. The session was very good. We couldn't feel that we were there for 1.5 hours. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you. Priyanka, madam. Yeah, she wants to give a feedback. Please.
Good morning, everyone. So, I'm not here to give any kind of appreciation and all, because I admire you in the first interaction that we have on the day. So, this is like kind of a more learning session for me, because when it comes to me as a counselor, if you want me to take the session, I will put a slide on how the personality should be influential, dominantial, down, steady. So those kind of things I come up with. That's why I just wanted to attend your session. Because what I have learned is, what a personality should be, how to learn things from others. Today's session, I observed your session and learned many things out of your session. You connected with real life example. So this is something in my next session, how I should perform, how I can include like everything that I learned from your session. You are my greatest inspiration and mentor. Thank you so much. It's a wonderful opportunity for me to learn more. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And for your kind information, she is a student counselor, newly joined student counselor. She is going to deal with all of us hereafter. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Oh, you are.
May I speak in Tamil?
Everybody will understand.
After ஒரு 11 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்க ஸ்டூடெண்டா 2011 ஒரு 6 months வந்து எனக்கு கிளாஸ் எடுத்தாங்க. கேக்கலையா?
கொஞ்சம் மைக்
கேக்குதா? கிளைண்ட் கூட பேசியிருக்கேன், அவங்க கூட நிறைய கான்வர்சேஷன் இருந்திருக்கோம். நான் அகைன் வந்து ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஸருக்கு முன்னாடி நான் இன்னமும் வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்டா தான் ஃபீல் பண்றேன். எனக்கு எதுவுமே வார்த்தை வரமாட்டேங்குது. இங்கிலீஷ்ல ஆகலாம் நம்ம வாய்க்கிலேயே நிறைய பேசியாச்சு. பட் எப்பவுமே வந்து ஒரு லெக்சரருக்கு அவர் ப்ரொஃபஸருக்கு முன்னாடி மனசு அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு. ஆஸ் அ ஸ்டூடெண்டா இன்னும் இன்வெஸ்டா அந்த மைண்ட் செட் அந்த உள்ள அந்த உட்கார்ந்தோடனே அப்படியே மாறிடும். அது உங்களோட பவர், உங்களோட ஹம்பிள்னஸ் அண்ட் உங்ககிட்ட நாங்க கத்துக்கிட்ட விஷயம். பொலைட்டா இருக்கணும், என்னதான் தெரிஞ்சாலும் அமைதியா இருந்தாலும் சில விஷயங்களை நம்ம
Really, today in our Karnataka, there was one statement from Government of Karnataka, Naliyuta Kali. That means you learn with dance, you learn with some activities. So like that, today we had a session with Madam Dr.R.Gayathri. We involved lot of activities and we learned how we should follow the ethics. So that finally I can conclude that we learned lot of things with activities. Thank you so much, Madam. On behalf of all our participants, I am presenting a small moment of appreciation.
Thank you. கொஞ்சம் லாங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ்